Welcome back to our channel. Today we will be discussing the difference between a hurricane and a cyclone. Both hurricanes and cyclones are powerful tropical weather systems characterized by strong winds and intense precipitation. The main difference between them lies in the location where they occur. Cyclones typically form in the Indian Ocean and the western Pacific Ocean. On the other hand, hurricanes are usually found in the Atlantic Ocean and the eastern Pacific Ocean. Another difference is the direction in which they rotate. Cyclones in the northern hemisphere rotate counterclockwise, while hurricanes rotate clockwise. The size of the storm is another distinguishing factor, as hurricanes tend to be larger in size compared to cyclones. When it comes to wind speeds, hurricanes are usually stronger with sustained winds exceeding 74 miles per hour. Cyclones, on the other hand, tend to have slightly lower wind speeds, averaging between 39 to 73 miles per hour. The damage caused by hurricanes can be catastrophic due to their intense winds, storm surges, and heavy rainfall. In contrast, while cyclones can also cause significant damage, their impact is often restricted to coastal areas. The formation process of hurricanes involves warm ocean waters, typically above 80 degrees Fahrenheit, and a disturbance that can develop into a tropical depression. On the other hand, cyclones form when warm, moist air rises from the ocean surface and creates an area of low atmospheric pressure. Both hurricanes and cyclones have different names in different regions around the world. In the Atlantic and Northeast Pacific, these storms are referred to as hurricanes. In the Northwest Pacific, they are called typhoons, and in the Indian Ocean and South Pacific, they are known as cyclones. Satellite technology has greatly improved the ability to track and predict the paths of hurricanes and cyclones, aiding in evacuation and disaster preparedness. It is important to note that both hurricanes and cyclones have the potential to cause widespread destruction and loss of life. Understanding their differences can help us better prepare and respond to these natural disasters. Thank you for watching, and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more informative content.